In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change feedback on eBay. Whether you're a buyer or a seller, understanding the process of changing feedback is important for maintaining a good reputation on eBay, and it can also improve the quality of transactions on the platform. So let's dive into the specifics of how this works. Start by logging into your eBay account. Head over to www.ebay.com and enter your login credentials. Once logged in, it's crucial to understand the basic rules of feedback on eBay. If you're a buyer, it's important to know that you can't change the feedback you've left on your own once it's been posted. This is where the seller comes in. If you're a seller and have resolved an issue with the buyer, you have the option to send a feedback revision request to them. When a feedback revision request is sent, the buyer will receive an email or message containing a link. This link is what they will use to update their feedback. Now, if you're a buyer, this is your opportunity to make the necessary changes. Follow the link provided and you can update the star rating, edit or comment on the transaction, or even remove any negative or neutral feedback you may have left. It is important to act quickly because you only have 10 days to complete the revision once the request has been sent. After this period, the option to revise the feedback will expire, so mark your calendar or set an alarm to ensure you don't miss out on this opportunity to make things right. For sellers, remember that maintaining good communication with your buyers can often lead to successful resolutions, thus increasing the likelihood that they will accept your revision request. If an issue arises, be proactive in offering solutions and understanding their concerns. This can greatly benefit you in maintaining a positive seller rating. For buyers, if you receive a revision request from the seller, take a moment to consider if your concerns have been fully addressed and if the seller has made appropriate efforts to rectify any issues. Accepting the revision request after a satisfactory resolution helps build a positive buying-selling experience. In summary, the key aspects to changing feedback revolve around understanding the rights and steps each party, buyer or seller, must take. For sellers, sending a thoughtful feedback revision request can help amend feedback. For buyers, diligently accepting these requests ensures a collaborative resolution experience. By following these steps, both parties can contribute to a more positive eBay marketplace. I hope this guide helps you navigate the feedback change process on eBay more confidently. Thanks for watching, and let us know in the comments if this video was useful to you. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. See you next time.